Hi guys, today's video is gonna be about a backup battery and I'm gonna show you how to install it. Okay, I'm talking about this little thing. This battery is for your garage door, like mine, which is this one. You see it right there. Okay, and in most cases, a lot of people don't know that they can add a backup battery for their garage door opener. And I think it's important to have one because let's think about it. If you lose power in your neighborhood, you come back to your house with your family and kids at night, it's raining very hard, you have the groceries in the back of your car, and then you cannot enter through the garage to your house. So what you have to do, you have to get out of your car in the rain, go inside your house, go into the garage, unlock the door manually to open it, and then you can get in, right? So that's just one a scenario, but there are many more. So to prevent this and for your safety and convenience, I think it's a good idea to have one of these batteries on your garage door opener. And the installation or replacement of the battery is very easy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Okay, that's the new battery right there. And now I'm going to open the case on the garage door to show you how to install it. Okay, I forgot to mention that this new battery came with the instructions of how to replace the old battery. Alright, the first thing that we want to do is to turn off the power, and then you have these two buttons that you're going to press to remove the door. Now you're going to have to remove this light bulb to access this door. Okay, to remove this door you're going to need a screwdriver, Philip. There's only one screw there. And also, they recommend to wear gloves and goggles to protect your face and your hands. Alright, here you have the wiring. Okay, positive and negative. Then on your new battery, you have to remove these clips that is protecting the terminal. Alright, so make sure that you put the negative terminal on the top, like this. Put your battery inside the case, and then negative with negative. And then positive. Okay, and now you put it back. Okay, once you finish installing the battery cover, now what you have to do is to reinstall the light bulb. Okay, close the lid, reconnect the power cover like that, and according to the instructions you're going to have to wait about 24 to 48 hours to fully charge the new battery before you use it the first time. And I hope you liked the video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. This is very easy to do and it's very convenient. I think it's important for everybody to have an extra, a backup battery on your garage door, just in case there is a power outage. All right, thank you. Thank you. Bye.